Hi, my name is Scott, and today we're going to talk about how to testify in court. This is very important and seldom discussed with clients, so I'm going to take a few minutes so you can have the benefit of testifying in court and being on your best presentation. The first thing to remember is that it is a formal proceeding, so we want to dress formally. For the gentlemen, I recommend suit and tie, and for the ladies, of course, a conservative dress or suit as well. You're being judged the moment you walk into the courtroom. Before we even open our mouths to speak or testify or address the court, we are being dressed on how we appear. So we want to have our best appearance. Secondly, when we address the court, we want to address the court as Your Honor. I do not recommend that we speak to the judge as Judge, because I think that's less formal. We always address the court as Your Honor. When the court asks a question, we say, "Yes, Your Honor," and then explain the answer. Third, many times in trial, the person testifying will say something that you don't like. It is crucial not to have an emotional outburst to say, for example, "That's not true." I strongly recommend that we have a pad of paper next to you. You write down your notes, you give it to your lawyer, slide it across the table for your lawyer to read, but to limit the amount of the emotional outbursts in court. The court will admonish you, the court will instruct the lawyer to control his or her client and to maintain court civility. You really want to make sure that you maintain your control in the courtroom. And the last point, please do not speak to your lawyer while somebody else is testifying. Again, write notes to your lawyer, but if you attempt to whisper in the lawyer's ear, the lawyer cannot hear what is being testified to, and the lawyer may miss an opportunity to object to the question, object to something, or miss the answer, which might be crucial in the case. Because if you feel the need to speak to your attorney, I'm sure it's very important, but you don't want to prevent the attorney from listening to the testimony that's being given. Write it on paper, slide it to the attorney, let the attorney read it, and if necessary, we'll take a break or a recess and have all of your concerns addressed.